In today's video, I am going to teach you AutoCAD Offset command, not working, and offset error and offset problem in AutoCAD. If your offset command isn't behaving, it usually comes down to three areas. The geometry is not suitable for offsetting. The offset is happening but you can see it. Or settings are steering the command in the wrong direction. Let's walk through each one clearly so you can fix it fast. First, when AutoCAD says cannot offset that object, the geometry often needs cleanup. Start by running the overkill command on the problem objects. Overkill scans for overlapping or duplicate segments and deletes or merges them, which removes tiny errors that can break offset. If the object is still stubborn, explode it to break it into simpler pieces. Then use P-Edit with the join option to rebuild a clean polyline with proper vertices. Splines can also cause trouble. Converting splines to polylines gives offset the simpler, predictable math it expects. Finally, look for self-intersecting loops. A polyline that crosses over itself can't be offset reliably. Edit the vertices to remove the loop or separate the shape into non-self-intersecting parts, and try offset again. Next, if the result is not visible, the offset likely happened but at a scale you can't see. Consider the zoom level. If you offset by a tiny distance relative to your current view, the new line may lie almost on top of the original. Zoom in closely and check. Units are another common culprit. If the drawing is set to meters and you enter a value assuming millimeters, your offset will be 1,000 times smaller than expected. Confirm that the units you are typing match the drawing's units. Also review offset gap type. This system variable controls how gaps are closed during offset. Depending on its setting, AutoCAD can extend, fillet, or chamfer across gaps, which can place the new geometry right over existing edges, making it look like nothing happened. Finally, when offset behaves unexpectedly, adjust a few settings. Toggle dynamic input with F12. Heads-up input can sometimes override how distances are interpreted, or nudge you toward a snap you didn't intend. Set O snap chord to 1 or 2 so typed coordinates and distances take priority over running object snaps when appropriate. Reducing accidental snaps that distort the offset. If the screen looks stale or geometry seems to lag, run regen to refresh the display and rebuild the drawing's view. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.